Hi, welcome to Thailand Expat Language School. In today's video, I'm going to tell you guys how you can fill the application forms required for taking admission in our school. So if you look over here, this is the form from our school. The name of the form is student application form. So the first thing you have to do is the date. So you have to fill in the date of applying at our school. Let's say if you want to apply at our school on 30 October, you have to fill 30 October 2024 over here. Continuing on, you have to fill in your name over here and your last name. Coming to over here, you have to fill in your nationality, your date of birth, your if you are male or female, your age, your religion, your passport number, your date of issue. So date of issue of your passport you will find in the biodata page of your passport, and you will also find date of expiry at the same place of in the biodata page of your passport. So coming on over here, you will find you have to fill in your contact address. This is going to be the address in your own country if you are living in your own country, and if you are living in Thailand, you can fill in the address that you have in Thailand over here. Over here you have to fill in your telephone number, email address, and your past education. With past education, you have to fill in if you have like completed bachelor's, you have completed master's, you have to fill in your highest education degree over here. Over here you have to select the course that you are going to attend at our school. If you are going to attend our school for 3 months for basic command, you have to select this, and if you are going to attend our school for like 1 year, you have to select this option. So you can select any options that you are applying at our school for. Over here you have to tell if you are going to apply for visa in your own country. If you are going to apply for visa in your own country, you have to click over here, select this option, and you have to write the name of the embassy. And if you are already in Thailand and you are going to apply at our school, you have to select Krabi immigration. Over here you have to do your signature and you have to write the date. That's it, that's all you have to do. And yeah, one more thing, you have to take a selfie, and you can just send a selfie of your face, and you can see the example of the selfie photo over here. So you can just send us a selfie over here and we will take a printout and attach your photograph over here in the form. So this is the first form, and now let's go to the second form. The second form is going to be purpose of attending the course. So in this form you have to tell why are you going to attend the school. So over here you can fill in the school name, or you can just leave it. You can fill in the school name, which is Thailand Expat Language School, or you can just leave it. This area also, if you want to leave, you can leave it. For the photograph, it's the same process. We will paste your photograph that we will take out like the printout from your selfie. So yeah, let's continue with this thing now. Over here you have to put the date, the same date like you fill in the application form. So same date will go over here as well. Over here you have to fill in your name and your last name or surname, your date of birth, nationality, age, passport number. So passport of over here you have to put like your country name, like you have passport from which country. Let's say if you have passport from United States of America, you have to say passport of United States of America. Your passport number. In category, you have to fill in the category of your passport. For most of the people, the category is going to be ordinary, and you have to fill in your address, present address, your number, house number, lane number, road, and district, your province or state, your telephone number. Over here you have to fill in your education, like what you have completed. Let's say if you have done bachelor's in arts, you have to fill in bachelor's of art. If you have done like BTech, you have to put BTech over here. Over in this section you have to fill in what course you are applying for. You have to write language course, Thai English basic level to intermediate or advanced over here. You can select language, you can write language course, and in bracket you can write the course that you are applying for from over here. Language course, and then basic to advanced command. Whatever you are applying from, just write it in a bracket like this one, bracket like this. So over here you have to write your purpose of attending the course. You can write you want to learn Thai language and you want to live in Thailand, but it's optional. But yeah, you can fill in your purpose of attending the course. Over here you have to do your signature. That's it. So now let's continue with the third form. This is the personal history check form. Same, you have to fill in the same date like the previous forms. You have to write your name over here, full name. It should be your full name. And over here you have to write emergency contact name. So let's say you can write your parents or friends name who you wish to be contacted in case of emergency. It's optional, but you can fill in if you have somebody you wish to be contacted in an emergency. Over here you have to fill in your monthly expenses, like how much you are going to spend in Thailand in a month. Let's say if you are going to spend around 30,000 Thai baht, so you have to fill in 30,000 Thai baht over here. Over here you have to write the name of the person who is going to sponsor you, who is going to support you. Let's say if your father is going to support you, you have to write your father name, and over here you have to write father, your relationship with him. And if you are going to support yourself, you have to write your name over here, and over here you have to write self. Now continuing on, over here you have to give information about your last 2 Thailand visits. So you have to tell the dates when you visited Thailand and also the category of the visa. So let's say like you came to Thailand on like 2022, August 2022, and you left in October 2022. You have to write that information over here, and you have to write which visa did you visited Thailand on over here. Let's say you came on visa exemption, you have to write visa exemption over here. And the same goes for like previous visit. You can just tell if you visited in 2021, you will write the date and the year, and when you have to write over here the date when you left Thailand and the category of the visa you came on. So yeah, this is the pretty much information that you have to fill over here. Now continuing on, over here you have to write your nationality, date of birth and age, your home country address, and this should be your home country address. This over here you have to put address in Thailand, and this address should be Krabi only. So let's say if you booked a hotel in Krabi for 1 night or maybe longer, you can just write the address of that hotel over here. Okay, let's continue on. Over here you have to write your father's name, his nationality, occupation. Continuing on, you have to put in passport details, your passport details and your date of arrival over here. This is the section for resident certificate number. If you have resident certificate in Thailand, you can put the information of that certificate over here. If you have alien certificate, you can put the information of that certificate over here. If you don't have these certificates, you can leave them blank over here. And when it comes to document, you just have to provide us a passport size photo. It can be a selfie, and you have to provide passport biodata page, and you also have to provide previous Thailand visa stamps. So you have to provide photos of these 3 things. Like first is going to be your passport size photo, second is going to be passport biodata page, and third thing is going to be a visa stamps of your previous entry into Thailand. So you can send these documents via the school's official Gmail account, which is Thailand Expat Languages School@gmail.com, or you can send the documents on the school WhatsApp, which is +66 800 133 858. You can contact the school admins for queries, and admins will be happy to help you with your visa process. So in the end, I just hope that you found this video informative, and if you have any questions or queries, do contact the school, and the school will be happy to help you out with your questions.